yung other people from here will also be very proud of themselves na they see themselves in him. They see all their dreams in Neil. So, kung nanalo si Neil, parang nanalo na rin sila. Diba? Parang, di ba? So, yun lang siguro. I just wanted na maging masaya din yung mga taga dito through him.
Actually, nung kumari yung episode niya, lagi siya nagtanong sa akin, Kuya, saan yung bugo? Bugo. Hindi ko alam, ano po lang siguro? Ala,
kasi siguro sir, ano, di ba? Hindi naman lahat mabibigyan ng opportunity to reach the level he has reached. So, kahit naman siguro through him na lang, mapatotohanan man lang yung dreams nila. So, sana talaga manalo talaga siya. Not just for him, his family, but also for the people who really, really are rooting for him also.
Sobrang suportado ka ng bayan mo, ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanila?
Siyempre, pasalamat ako sa iyo, ma'am, Vice Mayor, at lalo na po sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin dito. Hinawag na hindi sila mapulaan sa ako at anong hindi na ako performance para sila.
Are we voting for him? Is it next voting ba?
Yeah.
We'll try our best.
But I just can't disclose the...
But
Pero
at least
definitely
we
may
know-
voting po.
We didn't know kasi na, ano, is it text voting still or
May text voting po.
so it's not the whole thing text voting na may percentage.
Maybe. Nagulat siya pag nabutin niya. Ang dami, may kailangang sasakyan siya, tapos may mga, ang daming tao. Nagulat siya. Tapos may mga yung assistant sa amin, may mga rangers, ang dami. Nagulat siya.
Siguro kasi parang ano lang, parang as far as I can remember, parang this is the biggest homecoming. Kasi parang wala namang homecoming usually, di ba? So this is the first time naman yun.
Actually, kaya hindi po siya ganun kalaki yung naging homecoming namin is because dahil doon sa interview po namin, ang initial na lumabas po doon sa DTR is yung school talaga, yung foundation ng talent. So nag-focus kami doon, not knowing we should have ayaw lang sana namin manggulo. I mean,
No, siguro kasi we based it on the One Direction homecoming, di ba? Which wherein they really used to go around the whole town talaga, and they would really have like a Neil Murillo Day. So we thought it was going to be that level.
Hindi
We
naman.
didn't expect na it's going to be a school-based thing lang. So siguro yun.
Hindi ko rin po naisip kasi na palakihin siya ng gano'n. Kasi yung abala yung naisip ko agad, ma'am. Kasi,
Hindi.
Ako naman, personal na abala. Pero ang kailangan kasi natin puntahan sa school is yung teacher mo nung high school, music teacher. So yun po yung storyline eh. Music teacher, yung gusto niyang mabisita kasi syempre, he owes a lot po sa teacher. So hindi ko lang na-expect, nga, pwede naman siya manisip ko na lumapit para next time, I promise.
So, you know, it's okay. It's okay talaga. It's not a problem. So you're tired na? Hanap ka mo pa huwag.